What's going on, everyone? Another episode of Ask Shaqir Hussyin, and I thought, as I'm gonna do these videos where you can submit your questions and I'll be able to answer them, what I'll straight away do is I'll come up with the first 4 or 5 questions, and I've actually written them out on my computer in terms of, some people ask me, when you're going from $0 to $10,000 a month, $10,000 to $50,000 a month, or $100,000 a month, how do you scale? And then how do you go from $100,000 to $500,000 a month? And then how do you even go from $500,000 to $1 million a month? Okay, because I've also been there and I've experienced this over the last few years. Just amazing growth in my own business, growingwealthacademy.com, and I thought I'll take you behind the scenes and I'll actually show you. So let's get started with this one. If you're at the 0 level, this is part 1, by the way. I'm going to do this in 5 parts. Okay, I'm going to do these in 5 parts, and what I'm also going to do is I'm going to share with you the mistakes that I've made so that you can avoid them. And why is this important? Because when you're starting online marketing and when you're starting to learn how to become a digital marketing expert, a guru, a thought leader, a maven, a hero, whatever you want to call yourself, right? You want to upgrade your skills. It's very important you know why you want to learn something. And the reason why I am passionate about sharing these questions is because for the last 9 years, I spent a lot of money, over $500,000 in my own education, traveling around the world, going to events, seminars, courses, gurus. I've got a few books in front of me. This is from Dan Pena. He gave me this. And Dan Pena turned $820 or something crazy like that, less than $1,000 into $450 million. Okay, I spent close to 20 grand with him. Spent 8 days in his castle. This is Dan Sullivan. Okay, that's what he looks like. 73 years young. I paid him $35,000 to coach me. Ryan Dice from Digital Marketer, paid him thousands and thousands of dollars. Russell Brunson from ClickFunnels, I paid him over $25,000, maybe $30,000 to coach me. So I've spent tons and tons of money, and now I'm at a place where I have the time freedom, I have the location freedom, I have the income freedom to do what I want, to essentially create what I want. And it wasn't always like this. So I'm going to take you back to when I first started, which was in 2009. I got started, I got an email, something resonated with me, so I started clicking around, watching, reading. Before I knew it, I had borrowed £1,500 and gone to Las Vegas. And the event, as you can see here, November 19, 2009, I went to this event, changed my life forever. The next year, I was in $45,000 worth of debt, okay? Because I just couldn't get it out of my head that people can be making lots of money. I met people at this event 9+ years ago making $100,000 a month. For me, it blew my mind. Okay, I grew up in East London, we didn't have much money, and making $10,000 a month or 10 grand a month was huge. If I made 50 grand a year, that was considered a great job. My dream income, I remember growing up, was making over 100 grand a year. And now, my business does well over $100,000 per month, and it's been doing that for the last 5 or 6 years. And the biggest lesson I want to teach you when you're at 0 and you're trying to get to $10,000 per month is bloody hard work, okay? Because here's the thing, you don't know what you don't know. So everything is going to look hard, everything is going to look overwhelming, everything is going to look like it's new. And what you want to do is you want to develop a skill, okay? You want to develop a high income producing skill. The skill such as copywriting, doing webinars, making videos like this, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram ads, doing something that not many people do. And the first skill that I started developing was essentially how to get traffic, how to use solo ads to get traffic. And I was struggling trying to learn article marketing, PPC marketing, search engine optimization, free traffic. I remember it was so embarrassing, but I'll just share this embarrassing moment. What the heck, I was 9 years ago. I remember someone told me that I should set up 18 Twitter accounts. So I went and set up all these Twitter accounts and tried to automate the messaging, thinking that I was going to get leads. And I must have wasted at least 3 months of my life doing that. Now, I didn't know what I didn't know. And so for you, the biggest thing that you want to do is commit to learning one skill. What is that one skill? Ask yourself, what is it that you're going to be passionate about, that you can weather the storm? Plus, something that's high in demand. Just look at all the people that are millionaires, people that are getting results, people that are very successful in this industry, and you quickly see they have specific results, whether it's email marketing, webinars, phone sales, doing direct mail, doing live events, doing seminars, and coming up with offers. You look at it and you'll see, oh, this person does this skill very well. And then ask yourself, okay, what can you learn? And here's the most foundational formula of making money online. Traffic plus conversions equals cash, right? So you want to make sure that you can get people, which is traffic, and then you can convert them into sales. So you need to have an effective sales funnel that takes that prospect into your sales funnel. So the traffic is essentially like the people that are coming into your store, which is your website, your sales funnel. That's what educates people and then offers them different products and services. In return, you're solving their problem and you're getting paid. And this is the questions that you want to ask yourself. You being who you are, what is the problem that you can solve for someone else? As an entrepreneur, this is your goal. Your level of income will come directly from how many people's problems you solve. Don't look at yourself as a marketer, as an entrepreneur, or any of these fancy labels. You know, I know it's cool and sexy, but just think of yourself as, I solve problems. You solve problems. You get paid based on the problems that you solve. You want to make more money? Hey, guess what? Solve more problems. That's it. And if you solve problems that very few people know how to do, because you have the specialized knowledge, then you're gonna be the person that wins. Okay, so that's kind of the part of your brain that you need to wrap your head around. Solving problems for profit, developing a specialized skill, and then ask yourself, who is the person that you want to serve? Who are the clients that you want to serve? Like in my business, when I started out, I wanted to serve everyone. I thought everyone would want to go out and learn marketing, and I'm going to become this marketing consultant like Jay Abraham. But guess what? I quickly realized that's not how business works. You want to find a group of people. So my group of people are entrepreneurs, inspiring entrepreneurs, people that are seeking freedom, people that are seeking to create wealth in their life through creating leverage. And so, I mean, that's why I'm the founder of wealthacademy.com, because I'm passionate, and it's something that I know I'll be passionate for many years and decades to come. And this is going to be a problem for people which I plan to solve over the next few decades, right? And so ask yourself, you know, what kind of things will you be passionate about that's in demand, that you can develop specialized knowledge and you can serve that target market? Maybe you want to target people that are, you know, age 40 plus or age 40 under, or you want to target people just in UK or Europe or America or Canada or Singapore or Hong Kong, wherever the case is. So that's the who you're serving. And then what is the product that you're selling? And I always recommend this. Start off marketing and promoting and creating high ticket products. People out there are willing to pay you $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 for your service, for your product, for your experience and your expertise, even if you're completely brand new. Okay, let me explain that to you. Because when you develop a specialized skill, for example, you learn how to run Facebook ads, now you know how to place these ads. Well, guess what? You will now be able to market for other businesses. Two, people will pay a premium if you position yourself, if you promote yourself, and if you package yourself in the right way. So those are my top tips for anyone going from $0 to $10,000 a month. I would try to stay away from selling low ticket products, because I used to try and sell $17, $37 products on ClickBank. It was bloody hard. And when I chose high ticket products and affiliate marketing products as to kickstart my income, boom, the game changed, and I had my first $10,000 a month. Then I quickly went on to having my first $40,000 a month. And after struggling and being stressed for 9 months solid, I had my first breakthrough year where I did over $120,000. And the skills at the time that I had developed, I'll tell you the two skills, was one, I learned how to get solo ad traffic, and then two, I learned how to pick up the phone and have a conversation to enroll people into my products and services. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, go and like, comment, share, subscribe to my video. If you're watching this on my blog, then make sure you leave a comment below. Either way, go ahead, make sure you communicate what you learn, because when you actually communicate what you've learned, you've actually learned it, right? So let me know what your top lesson was from this video, and I'll see you on part 2. Bye for now.